Hi, I'm really excited to say that I'm coming back to teach in Brisbane in August 2025, and I'm really looking forward to share some of the material that I've gathered so gratefully from my great teachers from India, China, Tibet, Japan, all over the world, in conjunction with my understanding as a movement-based physiotherapist. I can teach you tricks on how to make your body more flexible without feeling strong stretch, increasing freedom in your body. I can teach you how to improve your blood flow to get better energy, but while you are relaxed, so you don't need to increase heart rate. I can show you how to become stronger while focusing on being relaxed. I've got some really fantastic techniques that I can share with you with posture, movement, breathing, and mental control to help you enhance your yoga, movement practices like dance, qigong, martial arts. And I'm really looking forward to sharing with you. So if you can come for the weekend in August, I'd really look forward to seeing you then.